Huggable bear tutorial. First, gather balloons in the following sizes. Take out the balloon chain that you've prepared. Tying off to 12 centimeters balloons. Two 10 cm diameter round balloons are twisted into an ear tie shape. Insert a 5-inch balloon into the cluster of 3 12 cm balloons with tails. Twist a loop bubble from modeling balloon, slip over 5-inch balloon. Deflate extra air. "12 cm tail balloons tied end to end. Two 12 cm balloons and two 13 cm balloons twist together. First, secure to 12 cm balloons. Find step to ease 12 cm tail balloon and tie to opposite knot point. Next, attach 2 more 13 cm pom-pom tails. Cut 2 5-inch round balloons in half. Tie to the knot of the 13 cm trailing balloon. Apply the same method to the other side. Attach the head to the body using the neck of the balloon head. Wrap the balloon loop around the neck once and tie it to the nozzle. The bear is done now.